I've been enjoying it because I can run from my rounds and obviously up to 4-inch pipe. I can put my angle irons, my channel irons in this, threaded rods. I don't get the burring effect like you do from a carbon blade, which leaves that sharp ribbon that'll cut you to the bone. You don't get any blade drift out of this like you do with a bandsaw. My cuts so far for the several months we've been using the blade, it's still coming out with a true 90-degree cut each time. Very critical when you're doing these flange welds and butt welds with your pipes together. Low temperature, you can grab right where you cut with, unlike a torch or plasma, you can put your hand on it and cut it as soon as you're done. So temperature is never a problem with this.